Hello, welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making yum yums. In my bowl I'm going to mix together bread flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and yeast. I'm now going to gently rub in the butter just enough to break it up. I'm now going to add lukewarm water and 1 egg into the bowl. And I'm going to bring the mixture together until it forms a dough. I'm now going to cover with cling film and leave for 30 minutes. Now that my dough has risen, I'm going to take it out the bowl and roll it into a square shape. Now I'm going to fold the edges inwards. And roll again. And repeat this 3 times. I'm now going to put it back in the bowl for another half an hour. I'm now going to roll my dough out into a rectangle. I'm going to cut 16cm strips. placed them on a baking tray. I'm now going to measure 2 centimetres from the top and 2 centimetres from the bottom, and cut a line through the middle of my Yum Yums. And I'm going to twist them. Like so. In my bowl, I'm going to add icing sugar and water until it makes a thick icing. I'm now going to put my pan on a medium heat and add in my oil, just enough to cover the bottom. And I'm going to let it heat up. Now my oil is hot enough, I'm going to add in my Yum Yums. I'm going to take them and place them on to a cooling rack. Now I'm going to drizzle over icing. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.